Bapak tadi bilang kalau misalnya orang Kristen, banyak yang bilang orang Islam itu kafir. Tapi sebaliknya yang saya rasakan dari saya SD sampai saat ini, malah orang Islam itu yang sering bilang orang Kristen itu kafir. Maksudnya saya cuma ingin tanya, apakah ada bukti-bukti yang menggambarkan bahwa seorang Kristen itu kafir? Dari mana teman-teman yang agamanya Islam bisa berkata bahwa orang Kristen itu kafir seperti itu? Terima kasih.
Terima kasih. Thank you so much. Can I just ask you, what is your name again? Namanya?
Theodore Sianturi.
Tia.
Tio.
Dan agamanya Kristen, ya?
Yes.
Okay, all right. So I'll explain it to you, Dr. Zakir. Her statement is that you've stated that Allah was never he was never begotten, nor was he beget. He was never created by any entity. So she'd like to know, firstly, who created Allah? That's the first question. The next question was that ever since she was young, people were always telling her that all Christians are kafir, like non-believers, have strayed away, are completely non-believers. Now, what she has witnessed actually is that since she was growing up, she saw a lot of her Muslim friends were non-believers, right? They didn't follow or abide by the rules, etc. So she's asking you now, are all Christians non-believers? And is she a non-believer? Or who are the believers and who are not the believers? Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Thank you.
This is asked two questions.
Ini dua pertanyaan terakhir.
Question was
Yang pertama adalah
Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala,
bahwa Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala itu tidak dilahirkan dan tidak melahirkan.
question is that who created Allah?
Pertanyaannya adalah dari mana Allah
Regarding
berasal?
your question, who
Siapa yang
created
menciptakan Allah?
It's like you asking me a question.
Pertanyaan Anda itu seperti halnya apabila Anda bertanya kepada saya.
My friend Tom, his brother John
Teman saya Tom,
gave birth to a
kakaknya
child.
melahirkan
I
seorang
would
anak.
like to ask you, was the child a girl or a boy?
Saya akan tanyakan kepada Anda, apakah anaknya laki-laki atau perempuan?
Dia ada teman,
My friend John
temannya
saya
namanya John,
gave birth, he gave birth.
melahirkan
Teman saya John melahirkan seorang anak.
Was it a girl or a boy?
Apakah anak tersebut
cowok,
laki-laki atau perempuan?
I don't know.
Guess.
Silakan
Nebak.
menebak.
My friend Tom, he had a brother John.
Teman saya Tom memiliki saudara
He gave
John
birth to a child. Was it a
yang
girl or a boy?
melahirkan seorang anak. Anak
Wanita.
tersebut laki-laki atau perempuan?
She said girl maybe. Girl.
Why not boy?
Kenapa nggak cowok?
Kenapa tidak cowok laki-laki?
Yang ada di pikiran saya wanita.
Just from her thoughts, it's probably a girl.
Okay, again I'm asking the question.
Yeah. She's.
My friend Tom,
Teman
had a
saya
brother
Tom
by the name of
memiliki
John.
saudara laki-laki
That
namanya John.
Gave birth to a child.
John melahirkan seorang anak.
Ayo.
Anak tersebut laki-laki atau
Sorry.
perempuan?
Sorry. MashaAllah, now you understood. What the answer? What is the
Apa
answer?
jawabannya? Silakan jawab.
What is the answer?
Silakan dijawab pertanyaan jawabannya.
Girl or boy?
Laki-laki atau perempuan
I can
anak yang
answer that
dilahirkan?
question.
She still can't answer that question.
Why?
Kenapa tidak bisa dijawab?
Bisa jawab. She can't answer.
Karena laki-laki tidak melahirkan.
Karena laki-laki tidak
She's now
melahirkan.
saying a boy cannot give birth.
Correct.
Nah, betul sekali. Seorang laki-laki
Man cannot give birth
tidak
to a
dapat
child.
melahirkan
So when
seorang
a man
anak.
cannot give birth to a child,
Ketika seorang
where is the
laki-laki tidak
question?
dapat
Was it a
melahirkan
girl or a
seorang
boy?
anak,
So by
jadi
definition,
pertanyaan yang
a man
yang
cannot
ditanyakan,
give birth to a child.
apakah
So
anak
the
yang dilahirkan itu
question,
laki-laki atau
was
perempuan,
the child girl or
menjadi
a
tidak
boy,
relevan.
is illogical.
menjadi tidak logis pertanyaan itu.
Now, by definition, Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala
Sekarang
is
secara
uncreated.
definisi Allah Subhanahu wa taala itu
He's not
tidak
created.
diciptakan.
So you asking me the question, who
Lalu
created
Anda
Allah
bertanya,
is illogical.
siapa yang menciptakan Allah?
Because Allah has
Pertanyaan
not created
tersebut
us by
akhirnya menjadi
definition.
tidak logis
Do you understand?
secara definisi.
Yes.
So you asking me who created Allah?
Siapa
is
yang
like you
menciptakan
asking
Allah?
me
Pertanyaan
that
tersebut
man gave birth to a
sama
child.
seperti
Was it a
pertanyaan
girl or
yang
a boy?
tidak logis tadi.
Yes, I understand.
Understood?
Yes.
So Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala by definition